Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 80. So here it is. Let's read the story. Lucy Xiao, it turns out, she really came back one day before her arrival. Well, Xian, she must be really surprised about this. When she go back on the house, she was doing a house chores. When he came back one day earlier, I would be pleasantly surprised by Yan and Nunu. Now, look at her. She was really happy. She was waiting for Xian and Nunu to come back home. Well, it looked like she was waiting for her husband and also for her daughter. Well, this is really good, right? On the other hand, suddenly it was Chloe who's coming back home. Shishao, she was greeting her. You knew, you're back. She was still holding her clothes. She's been folding off. Right now, Nunu, when she see her mother, suddenly she become teary. Mom, Chloe was calling her mother. Well, definitely, she really missed her so much. Looking at her face, tears, it was going to fall down. It's so nice for you to come back, Louise said to her mother. Now, she really hugged her tightly. Looking at Louise, she seems to be getting sad. Well, probably she was thinking something. Maybe she knows about what happened on the school. You knew, did something happen to the school? Shisha was asking her daughter. You know that right now her daughter it seems to be getting upset. Well, probably there's something happened at the school. That's why Lucy Shaw thinking at this moment. Louise said to her mother, someone was jumped off of the building today. Oh, this is really not good, right? Lucy Shaw, she looks really surprised. Of course, this is really terrifying, knowing that someone's jumped off. Of course, she was really worried about her daughter. Jump off of the building. Didn't you see it? No, it was covered by the cloth. Louise said to her mother. Well, finally, Lucia, she got really calmed down. If he doesn't see it, what about Miss C? Is she off work? No, she got really worried about Cian. She was taken away by the police. Louise said to her mother. Lucia said, You knew. Do you know the reason why your classmates jump off? I don't know. She is not in her class. Louise said to her mother. Well, it seems that Louise, she also feels exhausted. Looking at her, she looks really sad. Now, it was Lucy Shaw who got worried. By Sian suddenly taking away. Repeat that the girl jumped off of the building. It was related to her. Now, she got really worried about Sian. Well, let's see on what's gonna happen if Sians come back home. Okay, you can go back to your room to do your homework. If you feel uncomfortable, come and talk to your mother. Lucy Shaw said to her daughter. Louise said, still, she looks really exhausted. Right now, Lucy Shaw, she's trying to call Sian. She got really worried about her. Answer the phone, Lucy Shaw said to herself. Still, Sian was not answering her phone. Probably she got busy about telling the statements to the officer. Answer the phone. Lucy Shaw was still concerned about her. Sian still, she was not answering the phone. Now, it was really worrisome for her. She got really worried about Sian because she was not answering the phone. It was getting late at night. Louie finally said to her mom, Mom, I'm sleepy and I want to go back to bed first. Since Louie, she feels so exhausted. Today, she want to go back early just to sleep. Well, you can go. Lucy Shaw said to her daughter. It's been this time and Sian hasn't come back yet. Of course, Lucy Shaw, she got really worried about her. Until now, she hasn't come back. Suddenly, Lucy Shaw, when she sat up, she was seeing there's a big gift on the table. What is this? Lucy Shaw was thinking. Well, did it really came from Sian? It seems that Sian, she really want to surprise her. Well, after a while, the elevator is already ringing. It was Sian who's coming back home. Lucy Shaw suddenly stood up and went to the door just to check if Sian is already come back home. Well, she was right. When she was opening the door, it turns out it was Sian. She said to herself, is she back? Well, Sian, she looks really sad. Her face, it was really blackened, and she has only a fair complexion. You can see that she is really tired. She shouted, Sian, Sian. She was staring on her face. Still, she was really expressionless. Exhausted can all be seen on her face. Her eyes, it's really getting puffy. Probably she also cried. And she's going back home, knowing what's happened, and also seeing that happen. It was really terrifying for her. Look at her when Sian sees Lu Shishao. Her eyes finally gets bright. Now Sian was calling Lu Shishao. She must really miss her so much. Also, she really want a comfort from her, knowing what's happened today. It was really terrifying. Now she was calling Jojo. She rushed forwards toward her and hugged her tightly. Since Lucy shows know what happened today, now she's trying to comfort her. Tian said, Jojo. But Lucy Shaw said to her, I'm here. Now she really want to feel her, that she was here by her side. Also, she really want to comfort her. Glad you're back. Let's go in and talk. Lucy Shaw said to Sian. Sian finally said okay. It's really a long talk for the two of them. Sian, you must be terrified by this. Heard about what happened in the school. Sian, she kept herself in silence. Probably she don't want to talk about it at this moment. Now she only want a comfort from her. Looking at her face, Lucy Shaw seems to be understanding. You. When Lucy Shaw see, she really feels that it was really so cold. Well, you can see that Sian, she must really terrified on what happened. Don't talk. Let me lean back for a moment. Oh, it turns back Sian. She only want to comfort. Lucy Shaw seems to understand this. That's why she kept herself in silence. She was only staring at Sian. Now, look at her. In Sian's mind, until now, it was not really erased what happened. I remembered again. Oh, she was really crying. Of course, for her, it is really shocking. Now, look at Sian. She was really crying at this moment. Seeing Sian right now that she was crying, Lucy Shaw at this moment, she seems to be rattled. But she don't know what to do. Are you okay? Lucy Shaw said to Sian. Still Sian, she was really crying out loud. Even someone as confident as carefree as Sian would have to be such a vulnerable moment. Fortunately, I can be with her at this time. Oh, she only want to comfort her and see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for supporting. Sinem Dogru. Thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Hey guys, sorry for the loud noise.